Welcome to an island where towering cliffs, lush green mountains, and endless Atlantic Ocean views create one of Europe's most breathtaking destinations. Welcome to Madeira. Located in the Atlantic Ocean, Madeira is a Portuguese island famous for its dramatic landscapes, year-round spring climate, and extraordinary natural beauty. Nicknamed the Pearl of the Atlantic, Madeira is home to towering volcanic peaks, deep valleys, and spectacular cliffs that rise straight from the sea. One of Madeira's greatest treasures is Cabo Girão, one of the highest sea cliffs in Europe, offering breathtaking views from its famous glass skywalk. The island is also famous for its enchanting laurel forests, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that has remained largely unchanged for millions of years. Madeira's network of levadas, historic irrigation channels, leads hikers through waterfalls, forests, and some of the island's most spectacular scenery. High above the island, Pico do Arieiro offers unforgettable views where mountain peaks rise above a sea of clouds. The colorful capital city of Funchal combines historic charm, vibrant gardens, and beautiful waterfront views with a relaxed island atmosphere. Madeira's coastline is filled with natural swimming pools formed by ancient volcanic lava, creating unique places to relax beside the Atlantic Ocean. Adventure awaits around every corner, from scenic coastal drives and whale watching to canyoning through waterfalls and rugged mountain landscapes. Every season brings colorful flowers into bloom, transforming Madeira into one of the most vibrant islands in the world. As the sun begins to set, golden light paints the mountains and coastline, creating unforgettable views across the Atlantic. Whether you're exploring hidden trails, standing above the clouds, or relaxing beside the sea, every moment in Madeira feels like an unforgettable adventure. Beyond its breathtaking landscapes, Madeira welcomes visitors with rich Portuguese culture, delicious local cuisine, and warm island hospitality. Combining dramatic mountains, spectacular cliffs, lush forests, and endless Atlantic beauty, Madeira truly deserves its place among the world's most extraordinary islands.